Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into tasks and project reports into Bitrix24, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So after logging into Bitrix24 account, we have to click on the task and project option from the left side menu. Here, you will get all the menus for the task and projects. In the more section, you will get the reporting option. So just click on the report option. Now, in the report section, you will get all the report. This is the by default report. You can also refer it, and if you want to add, then you can add the report for yourself. Also, if any report is there, then you can import easily from here. So you have to just file the upload. You want to just upload the file, and file must be in CSV format. So I'm just clicking on the add report option. So after adding a report, you will get the option to type a report name, and if any description for the particular report, then you can write over there. You can set the reporting period. Also, in the column section, you will get name, priority, assignee, and status. So these are the columns. If you want to add more columns and whatever columns you want, then you can easily select from this section. Now I'm clicking on edit. Okay. After that, if any say filters are there, then you can easily get any filter. So I'm just clicking on the any of the filter that is assigning, or so if you want to select or if you want to create a report by the assignee, then you can just create the report. If you want to share the report with anyone, so you can click on the add more and you can add the participant for the so that this person also view the report. Now I'm just creating the report. So I have clicked on the create report option. Now you will get all the details, all the columns we have added, and also there is a assigning which we have given the filter to Bitrix24. So just like that, you can create multiple reports into Bitrix24. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.